Some people move on, but not us.
Congratulations to Blue Wolves for finishing atop the points table. Woohoo! Well done to all the HRs and everyone who helped in organizing the event, and of course my personal favorite was commenting for the SI games. Thank you for giving me that opportunity as well.
A really happy feeling since we had a disappointing last season. Congratulations to all the other members of the Blue Wolves.
मुझे काफी गर्व है कि इस बार मेरी टीम ने ट्रॉफी पर कब्जा जमाया है. Well played, guys. We played like a champion and we truly are a champion.
Congratulations everyone. ऐसे जीतते रहो every season.
What a dominating performance it was. We were on top of the leaderboard right from day one. We won 3 games, we were finalists 5 times, and ended up on the podium on 7 occasions out of the 8 games that took place. Truly outstanding. I would like to congratulate and thanks every member of my team who participated and cheered their team throughout the year and helped our team, that is the Blue Wolves, win it.
Congratulations Blue Wolves, cause we are the champions.
We learn, we fight, we compete, we win, and we'll be back next year stronger than ever. Blue Wolves को हराना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है.